Let's learn about triangles. So again, I'm in simple mode if you want to follow along. I come to my documentation, I go search, and I'm going to search triangle. And here we go. So here I can see, okay, this is a triangle, but now I'm getting six numbers. X1, Y1, X2, Y2, X3, Y3. Oh boy, okay. So it's a lot of numbers. Let's give it a shot. So triangle, and now I need to give it six numbers. Those six numbers represent the coordinates of the different corners. So x1 and y1 over here, that's the coordinate of the first corner. So let's say we want our first corner to be over here, x100, y150. So I'm going to go 100, 150. That's going to put one of the corners over here. Let's say I want another corner up here. So let's say that's x100, y300. I'm going to need to make our font a little bit smaller so we're able to see this. X100, Y300. Okay, then I have that corner there. Now let's say I want my last corner over here. And there I can see it's X250, Y200. X250, Y200. And boom, we have a triangle, okay? And now you can take this triangle, put it in many different places, change around all this different stuff, and you'll get a variety of different triangles as you play around with this stuff. Cool. Triangle's done.